guys, we're here at Mama Donna's house. Nag-invite siya for lunch. Say hi mga kids.
Hello, Titas.
Hi.
Hi. No, you need to.
Wow! Can you take off your shoes, please?
The host, Mama Donna and Mama Chris. This is our food.
Wow.
Yummy.
Hindi, pang-prito yan. Ano, pang-pakulo may
Oh, diba?
Lunch again.
Ay, ayun yung iba.
Ay, eto yung iba. Oh, Korean barbecue for today's lunch.
Dapat in-open mo na.
Thank you for our host, Mama Donna and ikaw ang host. Thank you, Mama Donna and Mama Chris. Ayan, they are grilling na. Yummy. Hi, Ate Abby. Say hi to my vlog. Shy type siya, guys. Comment down below kung merong tall, dark, and handsome.
I'm okay.
You're okay? Say hi, guys! Ah, thank you. Ayan, lagi niya akong binibigyan ng flower. Yes, only for girls. Thank you, baby. Ayan, lagi niya akong binibigyan ng flowers. Kiss, mami. Kiss, mami. Love you. Guys, oh. Ayan.
It's plain only.
Another one? Oh, thank you. Oh. Honey, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Ayan,
Let's
sila
eat,
ang
let's eat.
sila ang mga grillers. Say hi to my vlog. That's Mama Donna. Ang host ng ating lunch and Mama Chris.
As always.
As always, say hi.
Hello.
Ay, ang sarap. Say hi. Hi, Ellie. Ellie. Hmm? Lagi na lang siyang umiiyak, guys. Say hi, Leo. Okay, kainan time. Ang sarap. Look at guys. Yan ang Korean barbecue.
Wow.
Ay, homemade daw lahat yan, oh. Mahilig silang mag homemade, guys. Alina, how's the food? Okay.
Ano, luluto pa ako
Ito, ano to, guys? Pho.
Yung shrimp.
So, yung pho nila is homemade. Ayan, lahat yan. Puro homemade. Made by the owner of
Lagyan
the...
mo ng ano, lime.
Ay, lime? Okay. Magfo-food tayo, review. Kasi vlogger ako. So, kailangan may food review. No, kailangan kasi nagpakain kayo O, sige. Okay, try natin tong Japchae? Japchae, okay. So, tingnan lang, natin, ha, guys.
Sino ba si guys? You know guys?
Ay, masarap. Masarap. Kasi pag hindi tayo nasarapan. Hindi, masarap. Masarap siya. Masarap siya, in fairness. So, ito yung mga itatry natin. Chicken feet, japchae, tapos meron silang ganon. Tapos ito yung pho.
Wow.
Ayan, pho. Dito ako excited. Natatawa sila kasi, hindi sila sanay na vloggerist na ang person. Ano naman natin tong
Mag-exam ka na
Chicken
sa
feet.
NCLEX para...
may mga side comments sila.
Ali ah.
Diba? Osen?
Yeah.
Dapat yung naman iba-vlog niya. Yeah.
Tama na.
Kayo, no? Say hi. Say hi. Okay, ito namang ito naman ang i-rate natin. Kung masarap.
Yeah, this your shrimp.
Princess,
Mm.
where you got that? It looks cool.
Yeah, this is DJI.
Whoa.
Yeah. Ask to your dad.
I need one of those.
To buy you one. Yeah. Sarap. Ang sarap din ng pho. So, mga moms, ayan, binago na. Mga momshi, dumating sila, Ate Cindy. May dala silang
Wow.
isaw. Tita, buksan mo nga na makita ng mga viewers ko. Sige na.
Baka hindi nyo kainin, bubuksan ko.
Oo, sige na, buksan mo na.
See, you got that.
Sa mga request mo.
Okay. Busog na ako. Ayan, nagko-computer na po kami kasi nagpa-shopping kami sa Europa. Ito ang promotor. Ayan. Our lunch is done. We are full. Pupunta pa kami sa birthday yan. Sasama pa rin namin kayo. We're here at the Noah's birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Noah! Wow, ang saya ng kids! Ang saya ng kids!
Wait a second. Guys, I got a good idea.
That's the birthday boy, Kuya Noah. 6'7". Okay. Say hi. Here's the food. Puro na lang food. Oh, ang sarap. Chicken sisig. Oh, may charcuterie. And then, Noah's birthday cake. He is 7 years old. Celebrating 7 years old. Guys, the mother of the celebrant, she's doing Ate Shawi's thing. The Sharonian. Ayan, ang mga Sharonian. So, nag-teleport na kami. Nandito na kami sa birthday ni Noah. Change venue. Change venue and change food. Oh, yeah. Busy yarn sa mga pasaron yarn. Diba? Happy birthday, Noah! Happy birthday! So, ang gugulo. Hi! Content creator na tayo ngayon. Sasama ako sa jogging pang content yun eh. Oo.
Mahina.
Oo, bukas mag-jogging tayo pang content.
O yan, bukas magja-jogging tayo.
Oo, tara, jogging.
Paano hindi ako makatakbo?
Truth, hindi, mag-walking and jogging lang tayo. Shot! Shot na naman. Cheers! Shot!
You want me to for you. You're good.
Say hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
So guys, this is Luigi. He's single, 22 years old. No, 24, right?
24.
24. Looking for
For a girl?
hot tamale.
Cariola!
Cariola. Cariola.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Kami! Go Noah!
Chocolate cake.
Everyone say happy birthday now!
Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Cubao. Ang nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda.